Okay, I tell you what we're gonna do. Do something that you're normally not supposed to do outside. I chose, hey brother, how you doing? It's good to see you again. About the 15th time that we've been friends, right? All right. I want to do this. I know a lot of you people are country music fans of ours. And I don't know really, Billboard magazine said it best. They don't know. And they put it like this. I'm gonna try to get it in their words. Okay, it's really hard for Southern boys to put things into words like that, okay? But they said they play rock music, they play country music, they play in jams. They've been doing jams for 20 years, but they put it in there and they said, we still don't know what kind of music to call Marshall Tucker Band music. But it lasted for 45 years and I'm not sure if I'll ever give up, all right? Well, I'm right alone. I'm singing the same old cowboy song that's been sung 100 times before. I hope that brings back a memory of 1974. Yeah. Ain't got nothing but my name, and I'm the only man. Yeah, I'm the only man to blame, but I'm leaving, and this boy's happy, and by God I'm free, so I can listen to the wind blow. Let it blow, let it blow. Sand all over my bed. I like that lick. Saddle on the ground, and that old moon, he can still be found. Yeah, desert sky. You know what I like? This is gonna be even. This is what I like. I like simple things in life, like a prairie breeze. Good New Jersey lady hanging hard and on her Harley under me. Just belong, just being me.
You're killing me!
And when I die, let me die with a dream in my mind. That lame smile on my face and no trouble behind. And no cross on my grave, 'cause I don't want to show nobody my resting place. So I can listen to the wind blow. Let it blow, let it blow. Blow that cloud over here so it'll be cool for y'all. Sand over my tree. I don't know why I care so much about the people, but dog, man, y'all burning up over here. I got my saddle on the ground, and that old moon, he can still be found. I'm in the desert sky. Show me something, man. Show me something. I like to have fun. Ain't nothing planned, ain't nothing supposed to be the same every night. It would be all divorced many times as I am. Okay? Won't you bury me? Oh, bury me with my chaplain and my 6 gun. Oh, lay that little 45 down next to my side. You ready? Mr. Rick Mad Dog Willis right here from Spartanburg, South Carolina. So I can watch the moon in the desert sky. You know what, I told you that's not a song to do outside, but if it brought the cloud to cool y'all off a little bit, I guess that's all right, right? Okay, I like it because if